Get ready to crush calories with this 15-minute workout. Grab a pair of light free weights and let's hit it. Now we're gonna start with a jumping jack series. So regular jacks to start. You're gonna go up and over the head, gently bounce off the balls of the feet. If you're modifying, watch Dani. She's gonna be showing you a little bit of modifications. They're not easy, but they're gonna allow you to not have to jump around if your knees are sensitive or maybe you need a little bit of a lighter workout today. Now we're gonna go into next a cross jack. So you're gonna be crossing your legs and your feet together. So you're gonna go apart, cross, apart, and switch, okay? So these guys are gonna just try to keep up with me here. Nice job, Dani. Now this is where you really gotta swing your arms, right? You're really getting your shoulder muscles to engage here. You gotta be light on your feet. Nice, Christine. We're trying not to kill each other here on stage. You guys are doing good. Cardio, the heart rate is going up right now. Now the last one is gonna be the scissor jack. So your arms and your legs are gonna go forward. You want opposite arm with foot, okay? And we're going back and forth, back and forth. Now here, I feel like this is more like the Jane Fonda, okay? But this is a scissor jack. Breathe it out, stay light on the toes, and really get those arms to move with your legs, all right? Because a lot of times you can be lazy, right? They'll be down here. Really get them up there. Get those shoulders working. Boom, you guys look awesome. And relax, okay. Now, we got the heart rate up, we got the blood flowing. We're gonna go into a gate swing. So you're gonna have your feet out wide, squatting into the gate swing. You're gonna come up and you're gonna cross the legs and then come back out. And you wanna switch sides so that you got one in front and then the other in front each time. Nice, Christine.
Thank you.
Good, nice. Dani showing that modification. You don't have to add the jump. Keep your chest up high so you're not hunching. No, none of this, right? Chest high, so you're using your booty. That's what you want.
We like that booty.
You got to. Good, couple more. Breathe it out. 3, let's go, 2 more. That's it, I love Christine's breathing heavy. I mean, she's working it. Last one and done. Now, let's get the upper body working a little more, okay? So we're gonna do a plank up down. So up down plank is where you drop to the elbows and then back up onto the hands, right? Good, Dani's going from the knees. We are going from the toes. We're working our abs, working our shoulders. Go whatever pace you want. You can alternate arms between each one, or you can switch right now with me. So I was going the same side, now I'm gonna switch. Breathe it back, nice job. Remember, cardio intensive strength training workouts are the best way to burn calories and strengthen the body at the same time. One more, push it up. And relax. Okay, next, plank and leg raise. So stay on your hands or drop to the elbows if your wrists are sensitive. All right, you're right here. You're gonna gently lift one foot at a time off the ground. Nice job. Now, if you wanna modify, you can just hold the plank. Dani, you might wanna join us though, because no one needs to watch her plank, right? If you wanna plank and just hold it there, that's how you can modify this one. Breathe it out. That's right, I'm winded, because this is cardio intensive. If I wasn't winded, then this workout wouldn't be working. It works for me too. That's why it's created. Good, one more time. And relax, back up on your feet, come on. Don't hesitate, you're going through the jack series again. Ready? Let's go. Bring it up. All right, remember, this is only 15 minutes. You gotta push hard to make it effective. So get those arms up long, stay light on those feet, pull in the belly, oh yeah, because your core's working too. Beautiful. Nice job, ladies, I love it. 3, 2, let's go right into those cross jacks. Open, cross, back and forth. You really gotta whip those arms. It's not easy. I like to kind of dance. I feel like I'm almost like a break dancer. Don't get too crazy though. You don't want to fall over. Last one, we're going into those scissors. Ready? Opposite hand and leg. Yeah, I always have to start the right way or I totally mess that one up. Good, belly's in tight, light on the feet. Get those arms moving. Nice. Christine's got a good pace going over here. She was like, I am feeling it. I love you, girl. I love you guys. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Going right into those gate swings. Let's do this. Drop it down, open the knees up, crisscross, back and forth.
Oh.
Yeah. Good, you know the drill. Now all you gotta do is focus, and you gotta get that can-do attitude right now.
Yep,
because you're halfway there. Breathe it out. Come on, 3, come on, 2, last one. My legs are on fire right now. All right, let's drop it down. We're gonna go right into those up-down planks. Now here, remember, go at your own pace. You can drop from your knees if you need to, back and forth. Let's do this, let's go. Down and up. Exhale on the way up because that's when you're putting most of your energy into the move. Down and up. You guys look awesome. I feel ya. Energy is high right now. Good, let's switch sides if you were. If you wanna alternate in between, you can. But now's the time to make sure the other arm is leading on the push-up. Good. Breathe it out. Oh, baby. This is when you like to really say, I am awesome for doing this. And relax. Good work. Okay, then stay in the plank or drop to the elbows for the plank raise, for the plank and leg raise. So you're here, lift and lower. Now this is a slower move, right? So it's really important here not to let your hips sag. You don't want to all of a sudden be here. You want to keep your abs engaged, lift gently, back and forth. Really try to keep those abs tight, or just hold that plank for me. You can do it. Come on. Breathe it out.
Feeling it.
I know. Me
Really
too.
feeling it.
Me too, because I'm breathing heavy, right? So all that cardio beforehand was really making it challenging for our abs. And relax. Oh. Okay, you guys done?
Yeah.
No, hey, come on. You're not done. You're halfway there. We're going into our quick skip. Different circuit now, okay? So a quick skip is almost like you're sprinting in place, but it's way better on your knees. So what you're doing is you're going into a quick skip position. Danny's not gonna add the hop, but we are gonna start to pretend as if we are sprint speed. I guess it's like a sprinter that skips. Back and forth. Toe up, keep your knee driving up, pull the abs in tight, get those arms moving. Bam. Back and forth, come on. Oh, yeah. You're almost there.
Really feeling it.
My legs are burning. And relax. Good, gives you a taste of those little speed skips. Now, down on the feet, we're gonna do a plank jack this time. So regular jacks are hard, but these are a doozy. Now, you come up onto a push-up position. Danny, you're gonna do a side step to show the modification. We're gonna jump back and forth. Here we go. Now here, it's where you really don't want to let your hips drop in the middle. When your feet come apart, it's harder to keep your hips up. So try really hard. Keep that stability, keep your shoulder blades pressed apart.
Even the modifier's a worker.
Totally is.
Yep.
Agreed. You guys are looking good. Back and forth.
Feeling those abs.
3, 2, and 1. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our weights. So now's the time we're gonna incorporate a little more burn using weights that's gonna bring our heart rate down a little bit, but with the weights it still makes it tough. So starting up here, hands right up near the shoulders, you're gonna do a reverse lunge, back it up, drop it. When you come up, you're gonna do a press. All right, now you can keep your balance or you can touch the floor. All right, Danny, you can touch the floor to show the modification. Me and Christine are gonna try to keep that balance. So we're really slowing it down, really working the legs, working the shoulders. Good, abs have to stay tight. Keep the balance of the weight over our head. If you don't have weights, reach over your head and pretend like as if you're Superman, Superwoman. Yeah. Reach up, say, I am great. I am good. I can do it. Good, one more. Going down, up. Oh, and your shoulders should be on fire. Let's switch sides. Okay, bring them up, here we go. Drop it down, up, and press. Pull the belly in tight as you come to the top. Abs are tight here, boom, and down. Oh, man. I'm catching my breath a little bit, but not a lot. How about you guys, how you feel?
A lot.
Okay.
Feeling good, yeah.
Feel the burn.
Feel the burn, feel the booty. Remember, I love the reverse lunge because it really gets the legs and the butt without really hurting the knees too much. If you can't go as low, don't worry about it. Just take a little step back, make it a mini one. Still get that press. One more. Down, up, press, and bring it down. I love that, all in sequence. Woo! Okay, now, we're gonna do a push-up and straight arm extension. So with this move, guys, really working the back of the arms and the core, okay? And the chest. So you're working a lot of moves here, a lot of muscles. So we're gonna drop down into a push-up, have your feet wide as the mat, okay? Drop down, push up. You're gonna do a straight arm extension. Try to keep your shoulders and your hips facing the floor. So you're back and forth. Push up, and keep the shoulders and hips facing the ground. Now, if you're using 5s, that is even a challenge. If you're using 8s, then you're kind of crazy like me. But you guys can do this without any weight at all even. Push up. Oh, my arms are on fire. Now, if you're like me right now, and it's heavy, drop to your knees, do the push-up, and then do the row, because let's get one more. And I even have to drop to my knees, because I'm dying. Good, pull it out, other side. Awesome, now leave your weight there. Just get them out of your way for your quick skip, okay? Yeah, don't trip on anything, okay? Here we go, come on. We got cardio to burn here. 150 calories. I think I'm already at 150. I ain't gonna lie. How are you guys? Are you looking at that wristwatch right now? Come on, back and forth. We got one more circuit. Get speedy right here. Drive. Come on. Go, Christine. Go, Christine. She's keeping up with me. And relax. All right, let's drop it back down. Plank jacks. So you're on your hands, and you're gonna bring those feet together and apart. Ready? Breathe in, go. In and out. Get your abs working. Fire it up. Keep your weight over your hands. Don't shift back. Keep your weight right over those hands. Abs are tight.
They are.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. And we're back up with the weights. We're finishing with the weights. That's what I said. All right, you got this?
Yes.
You do. You
got
do.
it.
I love these girls. They're in it to win it. You are too. Let's go. Drop it back. Coming up and press. Down. Oh. See, as you get more tired, you lose your balance, right? It's like, I'm human too, trust me. I'm very human. Good, up, press, and back down. Awesome. Good, let's get 2 more on this side before we switch. Up, press, down. Good, my shoulders are on fire, going strong. And let's switch. That's what I do when I'm tired, I start to sing. You guys feeling good? Start singing with me. Here we go. Other side. Remember, sitting into that booty. Oh yeah. Press. Good, one side's gonna feel more balanced than the other, and that's okay. That's why you work both sides individually. Whoa. Don't stop on my account, guys. Press. Looking good. Let's get 2 more. Sitting into that booty. Good.
Feel it.
Thinking about, good, that teeny weeny bikini. Good, and relax. All right, down into push-up. Last one, then we stretch. You gotta give it all you got right here. All right, we got this. Let's go. Push-up position, feet are as wide as the mat, because the wider they are, the easier this is, okay? So, going down for the push-up. Here we go. Down, push-up. Row, keep your hips square to the floor. Good, and down. My arms are jello. Good, good, down. Row, nice job. Remember, you can always modify, which I'm gonna do right now. Good.
Christine is doing.
Good, Christine, because you know what? Form's more important than having that ego that says I have to stay up there and do it wrong. Good, last one. And relax. I like that little extra bonus one you just did. All right, now guys, we have 10 seconds, right? This is a move you have to do right now to stretch it out. So you're in this position, your legs are straight out in front of you. Okay, your low back needs a little lengthening. So chest up nice and high, feet out in front of you. Breathe in deep. Remember, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Let those legs be really long, nice and extended. What we're gonna do is a Hollywood pose. You're gonna bring the ankle up and over that thigh, hug your knee, and rotate towards that knee and around. It's a great stretch for the upper back and the lower back. And a good one with the booty. You gotta lengthen that out too so you don't hate me tomorrow. Other side, bring it up, hug that knee, give it a twist. Try to keep that chest nice and tall, just like Christine's there. I bet you Danny looks the same behind me. You guys are amazing. And that's 15 minutes to strengthen every muscle in your body and get that heart rate going strong, because your heart is the most important muscle in your body. Good job, guys. Awesome work.
Awesome.
Awesome job. See you next time.